Selecting a row or column. To select an entire column, first you have to bring the mouse pointer to the top of the particular column in the table. An arrow will appear. Click the arrow to select the entire column. So this arrow is called a selection bar, row or column selection bar. When you click this, the entire column is selected. Similarly, to select the row, you have to come to in the Excel where it is written A, B, C, D. You go there and click the heading of the row and it will be selected. Adding a new row. To add a new row, follow the steps. Place the cursor anywhere in the table. Layout tab appears under Table Tools in the ribbon. On the Layout tab, in the Row and Column group, click the Insert Above option to add a row above an existing row, or to insert below option to add a row below an existing row. So here insert above is given, insert below, insert left, insert right. So you should remember that you have to go to Table Tools, in the Layout tab. Layout tab is under the Table Tools. You have to go there and then click Row and Column group. You have to go and then click Insert Above or Insert Below row to add a new row. To add a new column, same thing you have to do. You have to go to Insert Column to the left. In the Table Tools Layout tab, you have to go there and Insert Column is there. Delete a row or column, same thing again. Go to the Table Tools. Under the Table Tools, Layout tab. On the Layout tab, in the Row and Column group, you have to click the Delete option. So deleting is also there. Please try activity 6 at home. Merge cell. Merging cell refers to combining two or more cells to make one cell. To merge cell, select the cell to be merged. Under the Table Tools, on the Layout tab, in the Merge group, click the Merge Cell option. Merging means to make it one. Two column or two row or two cell, I can merge it and make it one. Splitting cell means Splitting cell refers to splitting a cell in the table into multiple cells. Under the table tools, on the layout tab in the merge group, click the split cell option. The split cell dialog box will appear. So again, table tools, layout tab, merge group, but the group is merge. Click the split cell, but you have to click split cell dialog box. Specify the desired number of rows and columns. Click OK. Table styles. You have to go to table style group. Click anywhere on the table. The table tools tab appears. Under the table tools, on the design tab, where you have to go, design tab this time. Table styles. Select a style. Different styles of table will be here. You can select any one of the style from the drop down gallery. Adding borders and shadings. Select that entire table, then go to table tools, design tab, table style group, click the border drop down arrow to apply border and shading. Select the predefined border and color option respectively. To remove the border from the entire table, click the no border option under table tools on the design tab. So no border option. Please try activity 8 at home and try the